My chill villains. What's the deal? We back, you know. We're about to do a little Amazon. I bought something off Amazon. I just want to share it with y'all. You know what I mean? I've been pumping the videos out for y'all, so I've been being consistent. Let's get into it. It's a Dragon Ball Z ramen bowl. See, got all the characters on there, you know? I love Dragon Ball Z. Now look, before we even get into it, you know what I mean? I love anime, you know what I mean? Am I an anime head? No. I'm a sports, like football head, something like that, but you know what I mean? I love anime though, and I can appreciate it, you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna open it up. It says, Certificate of Authenticity. Congratulations, you have purchased a product which is officially licensed and 100% premium quality. This was exclusively designed for the fan in you. I'm looking at the detail. I can read good, y'all. I was just looking at the details and stuff in this. I didn't know this was in there. Right. Okay, we're gonna go through that thing. Oh, we got some good chopsticks. Y'all know how to use chopsticks? Y'all think I know how to use chopsticks? Let me know. Comment. Before y'all watch the end, comment if you think I know how to use chopsticks or not. I think this is ceramic too. Let me see. I don't know. It doesn't say, but it feels like ceramic. It feels real good quality. Real good. Okay. Can y'all see? Krillin. You know, Piccolo. Goku. I forget the other names. I forget their names too. I ain't gonna cap. Is that Vegeta? I think that's Vegeta. Let me see. I was seeing if he had the M on his forehead. I remember that episode where what was it? Was it Majin Buu? And he could put the M on him, he can control him. You know? But yeah, I like anime though. We're gonna do like a little mukbang, little story time all in one. We kicking it. But yeah though. I don't know what's on the bottom. But we about to make some noodles out of it. We're about to make some noodles. I got two of my favorites. So which one? Have y'all ever tried these ones? If you know, you know. I ain't gonna go into detail about them, but if you know, you know. But these are my favorite. Both of these are my favorite. So comment your favorite kind of noodles. We're gonna I'm gonna just mix them up. Whatever one I pick is what I pick. I wish I had another one. We on chili. So let me heat these up. What y'all put y'all noodles on? That says a lot about a person. What you put your noodles on? I know everybody's microwave different, but yeah, I gotta know. I put mine on 4. You know what I mean? My microwave get it right, so I'm about to go ahead and get it right. I'll be back. Hold on. Let me wash this out first. So look, I broke them down and put them in a bowl. Look, I'm fried, y'all. Y'all know I'm fried. Look, I said open the other one, but we ain't tripping. I just opened both of them. And just you know what I mean? We good. We ain't tripping. Hey, y'all know I'm a medical patient, so I had to take my medicine and be having me a little forgetful. See that? These joints is perfect. All right, bam, we back. Yeah, we about to do this right. We finna do it right. It's the chili seasoning. I put like 80% of that in there because we got some butter. You know how I'm coming with the butter. Just a little bit. I ain't trying to do too much. I ain't doing too much. A little bit of, oh yeah. I forgot. Y'all seen it. Not too much. A little bit of, and then a little bit of, I put that on a cracker, dude. Stale cracker. I bought this. I like to do content. A little bit of that. And we got on the side, I went to the international market. And I know these look like little Slim Jims, but I guess they said it was like A5 Wagyu beef sticks, paws. I don't know. But we got some pickles too. So we gotta go crazy. I got some chips too. These are the best chips in the world. Grippos. You gotta know. I like eating chips with my food. It's kind of like eating a salad with croutons. It's just my thing. We got some Canada Dry. We're gonna pour that up. And one thing about me, you know me, this is my favorite drink, Canada Dry. One, cause I just like it. And two, it helped my stomach, man. I know I got IBS. Like when I was young, man, in the womb, God told me one time, like, man, you gonna be shitting on them, man. You gonna be shitting on these niggas, man. Feel me? And he was like, yeah, you're that guy. You gotta shit on these niggas. So I'm gonna just give you IBS, man. That's gonna be your excuse so you can do it legally. You know what I mean? So I'll be having a hell of stomach pain, so I'll be drinking ginger ale. Did I get a good bag? They decent. They decent. Let's try these noodles out. Hot. I'm doing hot. God. They good though. They good. I guess I answered your question. They good, but I don't know. They not mushy, but I don't know. I ain't feeling them today. You know how sometimes you make noodles, every batch not gonna be the same. Sometimes you might have a super fire. Your wrist might be on that day. I ain't feeling these today. I'm gonna eat them though, cause I'm hungry. Yeah, but that, yeah, I ain't really feeling them. Every day can't be a good day, man. But yeah, though, man, I'm about to wrap it up, man. Holla at y'all, man. Keep dropping videos. Keep y'all updated. That's all I can do, man. All right.